Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable low power mode on Apple Watch Series 11. Low power mode can help you save the battery, but remember, it will reduce some functionalities. It will turn off the background heart rate measurement. It will turn off low and high heart rate notifications, turn off blood oxygen measurement, and will turn off one-handed gestures like wrist flick or double tap. Now, in order to do it, go to the apps, so click on the digital crown, go to settings. Then in the settings, you may need to scroll down a little bit. You can see I have all the settings here, and when I scroll down, I can find battery. Now let's click on it, and let's scroll down to low power mode. Now we can enable low power mode. Then we can turn it on, or we could have disabled it and select turn on for 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days. And it'll automatically turn off. But I'm gonna turn it off straight away from now because I don't really need it now. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.